I am doing a garage turned into office project. Hope you enjoy the ride.
Waiting around for you to call back, pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be, 'cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, because of all of the lies. Yeah, you don't need to disguise your face. I just
Here's
want
what
you
we're
to
working
know
with now.
that.
So this is the vision. I have another one of these. It's matching that I'm gonna put where this clear basket is. And then I'm gonna find something in this middle section that will hold up the boards, and then I'll place the boards on top and across. I'm going to use these boards here and make shelves along these walls. I got a 2 foot by 4 foot with a 3/4 of an inch thickness. This piece doesn't cover. Ideally, I would like that to be longer, so maybe I just need to return one and see if I can get a custom pallet. I'll try to make it work. It's just hard because there's a dryer vent here that I'm trying to work around, and this is all the way at the end of the dryer vent, and then this is at the other end of the dryer vent.
2 very boring minutes later.
Hello, it is a couple of days later, and you may have guessed it, but I am returning the tops, the plywood, and if I need them to custom cut them, I will, because I want to love the space, and it was so close but not quite, and it's really not that expensive, so I'm just gonna do it. Okay, it is the next morning. It all ended up being $1 more to customize them and get them cut to how I wanted. I'm gonna bring in the pallets. So here's what the space is looking like now. Next is gonna be putting up the shelves. I want 1 shelf, 2 shelves, and that's gonna help with like so much storage as well. So hopefully we can clear up some of the excess on this side. And ultimately we wanna make sure that the car can go into the garage. Hi. It's been a while. I had these come in. I ordered them off of Amazon. I'm going to put up the shelves. This one I'm going to time lapse. So, put up the next shelf. the space is looking like now. I scrubbed down the side of this, swept and vacuumed this area. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I want to move this over into this spot. So that means I need to clear out all of the things that are in here and on top of this so that it's easier for me to move over here.
Waiting around for you to call back.
I had to change because I was getting so hot. But here's the progress. So I moved this. So I have a good setup here and I want to shift this over, but this has all the supplies that needs to go onto these two shelves and somewhere in here. Here is what the rest of the office looks like, which is crazy, but hopefully I can put all of this back tonight and use this space tomorrow. All right, now to finish sorting through all the stuff on these shelves.
Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay. Inside my heart, the clock is ticking, the time is up. The way I feel it, I think it's done.
Here's what everything looks like. For now, I'll give you a 360 view. I think once we get rid of these big cabinets, we'll be able to mount the bikes. We'll move these on this side. We'll get rid of the bed frame. And we'll see if we can get a car in here. Guys, some of you might not find this interesting, but I had to share. I used the stud finder to find where there's a piece of wood to properly mount Spencer's fish. I tried to drill here, 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 and we could not find a stud. I got the stud finder and here's where it is. We finally did it. We got Sal on the wall. Hello. It is quite some time since I last filmed the progress on this office. The other day, my mom and I went to IKEA, and I'll show you a little bit of some more things that I got from IKEA that will enhance this space. And it looks so nice, so I'm gonna open this baby up. Okay, so the next thing I got for my desk is, got this off of Facebook Marketplace, and I can just clamp it right onto the edge of my desk, and I can arrange it how it's gonna be helpful for me to use when I'm working. This may blow up these because there might be too much going on. Nice! Is a file organizer. It is so heavy, but I'll show you what it looks like. The last thing is this pegboard. I am going to put it actually behind me, cover more of this white, poorly painted wall. Here it is up, and now I'm gonna put on all of the features. I got this as a catch-all just in case the rest of the containers that I got were not enough. Next, I just got some small generic hooks, 2 large hooks, 2 different cute colored clips, and then these containers to help organize nuts and bolts and screws. So here they are. Is my board. Hi, I got this large filing cabinet for free that I'm gonna put, instead of using this shelf setup that I have here, here's what I'm switching out. So hopefully that makes this desk completely stable and secure. Cleared everything out. The final test is seeing if the car will fit. I'm a little nervous, but let's try it. Okay, so it fit, and there's enough room to get out. But on this side, it is so unbelievably tight that it makes me nervous. So I think we may need to relocate this. That will be for later on, but in conclusion, the car fits. But yikes. I was gonna do a cool before and after, but I will do that for another time. So I'm going to actually just end my office update here. There's no great, awesome, super appealing reveal at the end of this video, but I hope you'll understand why. Thank you for watching. I'm so sorry if you're disappointed. I'm also disappointed too, but hopefully my next video I will have some cool updates. I have been working on this home office for nearly 2 months, and I thought this video was going to be posted and go out in a week, and it definitely has not happened. We pretty much have finished all of our home updates for right now. So hopefully I can be posting a little bit more consistently. I am just using my husband's computer, so whenever there's not any football going on, that's when I can use his computer to edit and post my videos. So thank you for your patience. Thank you for listening to my whole spiel. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.